This is a fun question about imaginary numbers with the imaginary unit. You can see that applicants got this one correctly. Well, 60% of applicants got this one correct. It's a question from the entrance exam for engineers, mathematicians and physicists, entrance into Flemish universities. So if you want to have a go at it, you can pause the video and read the question and try it out for yourself. So the question is, what is k equals 0 to 2024 for I to the k multiplied? So that is I to the 0 times I to the 1 times I to the second power until I to the 2024th power. And so what is that equal to, where I is the imaginary unit? So if you write the first 4 down, you can see I to the 0 is obviously 1. I to the first is 1. I to the second is -1, imaginary unit. I to the third is -1 times I, so minus I. I to the fourth is I to the third times I, so minus I times I is -1 minus, so it's 1 again. And you see that's the same as I to the 0. I to the fifth is I to the fourth times I, so that's 1 times I is I, which is the same as I to the first power. I to the sixth is I to the fifth times I, so that was I times I is I squared minus 1, same as I squared. I to the seventh is sorry, I to the sixth times I, so -1 times I or minus I, which is I to the third. And you can see that pattern will reoccur. A to the 8th is 1, A to the 9th is I, A to the 10th is -1, and A to the 11th is minus I. So if we take the first 4, we get 1 times I times -1 times minus I, or 1 times -1 is -1, and I times minus I squared. This is -1 minus, so +1 times -1 is -1. Okay, so we got that the first 4. So 2024 divided by 4 is 506. This is even. So if we group them by 4, we will always get -1, and then we have to do that to the power 506, which is even. So an even power will give you +1, and +1 is answer B.